On top of the 1823 crores notice of income tax to the Indian National Congress comes another notice for 1745 crores. As to how this new amount came about, I'm going to show you a very small slide deck that will explain to you everything. What is the more important takeaway? The more important takeaway is that Congress as a party is tax exempt as long as it abides by the rules. What are the rules? One of the most important one is whatever money the party gets by way of donations from different individuals, it has to be in the order of 20,000 rupees or less. All the names and details about them has to be carefully noted down, and this has to be submitted. Only then can you take tax exemption. The party also cannot do other things such as lend money to acquire businesses, which is what the Congress party is guilty of and which has led to the book National Herald Frauds. So that is a separate story, that's a separate thread. And inside National Herald Frauds, there are several violations, all of which can lead to more and more trouble for the Gandhi family, all three of them, not just Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, but also Priyanka Gandhi. And you can see all the data. If you read the book, you'll understand where each one's tuft of hair is caught. The Gandhi family ran the Congress party. I think they started from Indira Gandhi. They started running the party as if it's a family enterprise. The money that was collected for the party, it is believed to have been in places like Rajiv Gandhi Foundation and other places. You all know all those details. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'm going to come back to this. What is this 1745 crores new notice? I have a small slide deck that I want to share with you. Here we go. Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge must be really regretting the day he became the president of the party, because he's been slammed with all these notices. What is this thing? This is for the period 2014 to 15 to 2016 to 17. 14 to 15, 15 to 16, 16 to 17, those 3 years. The 1823 crores was from 17 to 18, 18 to 19, 19 to 20, and 20 to 21. That's 4 years. With this latest notice, the Income Tax Department has raised a total demand of 3,567 crores from the Congress party. What are the details? Here are the details. Year 14-15 is 663 crores, 15-16 is around 664 crores, and 16-17 is around 417 crores. See, what happens is the amount may be small, but because they did not file returns, the amount starts getting compounded, and the offense will put a percentage of the amount owed as a fine. So that's why these numbers are mounting, and now the tax demand has been calculated over the entire collection. Now you may ask me, why is it that they are trickling in one demand at a time? Well, remember, you may have watched Sree Iyer's hangout on PGurus on Saturday. We had talked about how the tax year ends on the 31st of March. So this came in on the 31st of March, and they wanted to make sure that everything was noted down for the tax year ending on the 31st of March. So now you have a total of 1745 crores. The demand has been calculated over the entire collection after having ended tax exemptions to political parties. Essentially what they are saying there, I'm not a taxman, but I understand some of this stuff, is that once you lose exemptions, whatever money you collected, you have to pay taxes on it. And because you did not pay tax on it, there is the fine that starts compounding. The department has also taxed Congress for third-party entries. These entries were made in diaries allegedly seized from some of its leaders during raids. The tax authorities have already withdrawn 135 crores from the party's accounts for a tax demand relating to previous years. The Congress has moved the court against 135 crore tax demand, and the case is likely to come up before the Supreme Court on Monday. So when you wake up to this news, it's already Monday in India, and in a few hours, I'm sure they'll be moving the Supreme Court to try and stop having to pay the 135 crores that the Delhi High Court had signed off on. So you have Delhi High Court saying you have to pay. Now they are going to move to the Supreme Court. They may lose there. They may even go to a Supreme Court bench. Who knows? They are going to try every trick in the book. But the takeaway is there is no money, because by the time they are done paying all these things, the party is not going to have a lot of money to fight the elections. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell button for notifications.